Hey guys, we are back with our latest information regarding your favorite automobiles on your favorite YouTube channel, that is EasyGet India. So today's video is going to be about the 2023 Tata Harrier EV. So let's begin here. While the Tata Motors currently enjoy the market shares of more than 80% in the EV segment, the competition is expected to increase significantly in the coming years. To ensure it continues to hold strong, the Tata is lining up several new EVs. This will be showcased at the 2023 Auto Expo. The Tata's upcoming EVs that have high potential to emerge as the best seller, including the Harrier Electric and the Safari Electric. Of the two, at the Auto Expo 2023, the Tata Motors has showcased the Harrier EV as well as the Sierra EV. Other Tata EVs that are showcased on the Auto Expo includes the Curvv electric concepts and the Avinya born electric car. The Tata Harrier Electric will be targeted a range of around 400 to 450 kilometers. Battery capacity could be around 60 kWh, whereas the power and torque output is expected to be close to 200 PS and 400 Nm. 0 to 100 km per hour will be achieved in under 10 seconds. The focus will be improving the performance to make it better than the existing ICE-based Harrier Safari. Some of the tech features could be borrowed from the Nexon EV, for example, the multi-mode region based on their driving style and the traffic condition. The users can choose for the 4 preset levels of the regenerative braking. The region is one of the key equipments that helps to boost the range. The battery pack and the motors will be IP67 rated and powered by the state-of-the-art Ziptron technology. The multi-drive modes are likely to be available within Harrier Electric. The users will be able to choose if they want to extend the ranges or have an accelerating, full power ride. The drive mode options could be similar to the Nexon EV that has Eco, City and Sports modes. Another feature that is expected is an electronic parking brake. The Harrier Electric comes in AWD system. The charging options could be similar to the Nexon EV, albeit in the higher capacity. There will be the standard home charger that could be connected to any 15A socket, a fast charger options and the DC fast charging stations. The battery and the motor warranty could be similar to the Tata Nexon EV that offers 8 years per 1.60 kilometers lakh, whatever it's earlier, while the core Hot will be larger than the same as the current model. The electric version of the Harrier's some unique styling bits. It is seen in all white colors. In the front is a LED strip with an illuminated Tata logo. Changing introduced are to achieve the improved aerodynamics. It will help to boost the range and also achieve a sensuous profile for the SUV. Some exclusive options for the colors are likely to be introduced for the Harrier Electric upon launch. Inside, much of the equipments listed will be largely the same as available with the current models. Some key features include a panoramic sunroof, wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, ventilated driver and the co-driver seats. Thank you for listening us. Do like and share my channel.